Investing in cryptocurrency can be exciting, but it's important to know what you're doing. With the right tools and platforms, you can make smarter decisions and reduce risks. Let's keep this simple and practical. Step 1. Research before you buy. Before you invest, make sure you understand what you're buying. Here are some tools to help. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. These platforms let you check live price, market caps, trading volume, and trends for thousands of cryptocurrencies. Glassnode and Messari, perfect for deep analytics like wallet activity and token supply. These help you understand how healthy a project is. LunarCrush tracks social media buzz around coins, so you can see which projects are gaining attention. CryptoPanic, a handy news aggregator to stay updated on market trends and regulatory changes. Step 2. Platforms to buy crypto. Once you've researched and decided on a coin, you need a reliable exchange. Here are some trusted options. Coinbase, great for beginners with an easy-to-use interface. Binance offers lower fees and a huge variety of cryptocurrencies. Crypto.com, a versatile platform for buying, staking, and even earning rewards. Uniswap or PancakeSwap, if you're into decentralized exchanges, these let you trade directly from your wallet. Step 3. Track and manage your investments. After buying crypto, it's important to track your portfolio. Use tools like Blockfolio or Delta. Monitor your investments in real time. CoinStats syncs with exchanges and wallets to give you a complete view. Ledger Live. If you use a hardware wallet, this app helps you manage your holdings securely. Step 4. Pro tips for smart investing. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one coin. Spread it across different projects and sectors like DeFi or gaming. Invest consistently. Use dollar cost averaging to invest small amounts regularly and reduce the impact of market volatility. Secure your crypto. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor to keep your assets safe from hackers. Stay informed. Always keep an eye on news and regulations using tools like CryptoPanic. Investing in crypto doesn't have to be complicated. Research with tools like CoinMarketCap, buy on trusted platforms like Coinbase or Binance, and track your investments with apps like Blockfolio. Most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.